Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get blue tick on Instagram. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is go to any browser and type in adbadge.com/Instagram. Enter your username and click on Get Badge to start the verification process. Click on Verify Now and complete one of the offers to activate verified badge on your account. Just download and install any of these games. Once you're done, refresh this page. As you can see, it has been successfully completed. They will inform you of the result within the next 24 hours. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.